Hello everyone, welcome at the heart of Audi. I hope you enjoyed your day at our production site here in Ingolstadt. Today is a very special day for me. Finally, it's reveal day of the Q6 e-tron. Ladies and gentlemen, the Q6 e-tron. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron with innovative technology, outstanding driving dynamics, and distinctive SUV design. This is the start of a whole new generation of all-electric Audi models. Our next big thing on our way towards a fully electric portfolio. The Q6 e-tron comes with impressive features, but the most impressive thing is the combination of all of these features in one car. Here's a brief insight into the highlights.
The Audi Q6 e-tron. It is the first series model based on the newly developed premium platform electric. This platform is the enabler for amazing design proportions, giving the Q6 e-tron an extremely characterful and dynamic appearance.
The premium platform electric is specifically engineered for electric vehicles, which means superb range, outstanding charging performance, and impressive efficiency, making the Q6 e-tron the best EV in its segment. With more than 620 kilometers, the Q6 e-tron Quattro is already the range champion in our portfolio, and there is even more to come. In just 21 minutes, you recharge the car from 10% to 80%. That means more than 250 kilometers of range in only 10 minutes. This is benchmark in its segment.
Aesthetics and technology come together. With the next generation of digital OLED lighting and the active digital light signature, a world premiere. More than ever, The Q6 e-tron is tailored to the customer's needs. The new electronic architecture creates an outstanding in-car experience. For the first time, a curved panoramic display is being used in an Audi, the so-called digital stage. This also includes the passenger display with an active privacy mode, a premiere at Audi, and also a first in the segment. The new electronic architecture is the foundation for the next generation of infotainment, offering our customers improved Audi Connect services, over-the-air updates, and a store for third-party applications.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm absolutely convinced the Audi Q6 e-tron is the new reference for Vorsprung durch Technik.
Thank you. Fermin just mentioned it. The Q6 e-tron is the first Audi to come with our completely new end-to-end electronics architecture, connecting every function, hardware and software in one neural network. The technical benefits for the customers are enormous. Personal infotainment and connectivity will reach a new level. Charging is super fast. The 800-volt system allows for 270 kilowatt high-power charging, and the team put a lot of effort into the best possible driving experience you can get, combining great driving dynamics with comfort and safety. With all these technologies, we bring Vorsprung durch Technik to our customers, and the Q6 e-tron at the starting point for the next era of Vorsprung. Coming back to the start of the evening, if you take one thing home tonight, hopefully it is this: we are ready. Audi is ready, the team is ready, ready to bring iconic cars to our customers, ready to bring Vorsprung durch Technik to the next level. It all starts now with this